Britney Spears is rocking a whole new look following her wedding to Sam Asghari. But that doesn't mean the 40-year-old pop legend doesn't occasionally take a step back in time. She slayed in jeans she hasn't worn in 2 decades, and to nobody's surprise, they still fit. Went to the old house yesterday to finish packing and look what I found, these adorable white jeans. No lie, I think it's been 20 years since I wore white jeans and they actually fit. Britney captioned an Instagram post on Thursday, alongside a row of red flowers. PSSSS, I will show the new house later, she promised her 41.6 million followers. Britney's post featured a short video of her posing for the camera at her previous Thousand Oaks mansion. She absolutely slayed in the pristine white, low-cut jeans, paired with a roughly orange crop top. She also donned a pair of coordinating rust-colored heels and finished the look with a pretty necklace and simple belly ring. The newly married Toxic singer has been on an emotional roller coaster. Just before she married 28-year-old model Sam in a charming backyard ceremony at her old house on June 9, her first husband, Jason Alexander, was arrested for breaking into her home and attempting to crash the wedding. Britney subsequently obtained a restraining order against him. Shortly thereafter, she moved into her lavish new $12 million mansion in Calabasas, near her ex-husband Kevin Federline and her sons Sean, 16, and Jaden, 15. Her father, Jamie Spears, filed papers in Los Angeles on June 17, accusing the pop princess of a social media smear campaign. Around the same time, she deleted her Instagram account amid a shady comment from her mother, Lynn Spears, and after blasting her brother, Brian Spears, for controlling her. She also insisted she'd never invited him to her star-studded wedding. But the Crossroads star made a triumphant return to her preferred social media platform before long, rocking her famous bikinis and sharing her thoughts with her fans. And it appears she's enjoying married life immensely. Haven't been on my honeymoon yet, got married and moved into a new house around the same time, not the smartest thing to do, the singer wrote in part, in a colorful poolside bikini post on June 22. I took a nice dip in my pool, it's so bright and it has a nice chill spot, and a slide. I went down it 4 times already, it's hella fast. I cut all my hair short and my husband just made me a steak, life is good.